Hello everyone. I'll be making a video on my Grand Am as it won't pass inspection anymore, and I got to do a lot of repairs. So I'm going to show you now. I'm going to start this actually. This is what I got to do. Fender and door repairs, rocker panels in and out, sway bar bracket, front left headlight bulb, right front parking signal light, left rear handbrake cable, right rear brake light, ABS wheel bearing. So, I got to do these rocker panels, which means I got to take these side panels off. I showed in my last video. I painted them since then, but it's all rotten through again, as you would expect. The fender is let go on the bottom. There's nothing there to hold on. Fender, I painted the fender, but since then it caught on the door. So, instead of taking a car that runs and drives so good and send it to the scrapyard, of course I'm going to fix it. So I'm going to start a video series on that, and hopefully I can get some viewers to do the best I can to show you guys what to do. But I can't find any rocker panels to fit the coupe, so I think I got to get them for the sedan and cut them. And I got to get a welder. So I should be able to show you guys. Probably can't see anything, just how rusty the Grand Am is. And there's something wrong with the exhaust too. Well, I guess that's alright. It's a bit shaky, but so I'm gonna now, in about 5-10 minutes, I'm gonna start to haul the side panels off, and I had that patched before. Let's see if I can get down there. It's just tin, so I'm gonna haul all that off and show you guys just how rusty this car is. Thanks.